Hello friends, in this video lecture we are going to write a Python program to convert the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. We are going to get Fahrenheit as an input from the user and we are going to convert it into Celsius. I am declaring a variable Fahrenheit equal to float of input of enter the temperature in Fahrenheit. I am converting it into Celsius. Celsius equal to Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. I am printing a result. Print the temperature in Celsius. Celsius. That's it. I'm saving the program. Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion. Now I'll execute the program. Enter the temperature in Fahrenheit. I'm giving 100 degree Fahrenheit. Now the equivalent Celsius is 37.77. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.